Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the product of sum and the sum of the product we have discussed. Without knowing that one we can't understand this session's K-map. Yes, first we have to go through that videos, then only you can get to know that one how to do the K-maps. Carnot maps. Diagram is a collection of squares. Each squares represent the minterms. Min-terms means it is the collection of the sum of the min-terms. We can call it as a sum of product. Collection of the squares is a graphical representation of the Boolean function. Adjacent squares differ in one variable. Pattern recognition is used to derive the alternative algebraic expressions for the same function. The Carnot map can be viewed as an extension of the truth table. Means it is a truth table they can explain about the just the answer they will explain. It is the group of the map can be see it here. That is the difference between the truth table and the Carnot map. Carnot map or a K map can be viewed as a topologically wrapped Venn diagram as you used visualized sets. In your 10th standard or 9th standard, you have studied about the Venn diagrams. That the same thing will happen. Yes, let us see the what is the advantages of the K maps. Let us see that. Uses of the Carnot maps provide a means for finding the optimum simple SOP and the POS standard forms and small two levels and OR and circuits. And OR circuit is a SOP, OR and circuits is a POS. Visualize the concept related to manipulating the Boolean expressions. Demonstrate the concepts used by computer aided design programs to simplify the larger circuits. Yes, can we see the how to Carnot map will do that one. Yes, Carnot map is a graphical display of the fundamental products in a truth table. The process of minimizing the Boolean expression using the algebraic manipulations can be quite difficult to since we have to determine which of the various laws propositions maps method. Method provides a simple procedure for the minimizing the Boolean function. The map method is a first proposed E.W. Which in 1952 he has the which has the first he has explained about this Carnot map. Yes, known as a witch diagram before we are later modified by the Maurice Cangron in 1953. He has known as the Carnot map or a Carnot map, known as the K map method simplify the Boolean functions. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮೌಲಿಸ್ Carnot, he has explained about this one. The K-map is the pictorial representation of the truth table. Pictorial representation means it is a very shortcut to made up of the squares. Each square represent the mini terms, max terms, each square separated from the negligibles of the neighbors by the until distance 1 bit between the Boolean terms. Construction of K-map is how to do that one. First step is a K-map methods is build a two-dimensional truth table. Two-dimensional truth table function came up for the n variables method. 2 raised to n squares. Each square designated the min terms, product terms of a Boolean function. For min terms, which is are the represent the expressions, is written in a corresponding squares, uh, zeros, and the written those in the squares of the corresponding mini terms, not representing the expressions for the clarity of the K-map. Means that construction of the K-maps by using the truth table in the minimization of the Boolean expressions. If you have an expression of the Boolean expressions, it is the how to identify very easy method. It's a K-map. Yes, single variable K-map. If for example, a single variable it is there, single variable K-map, it is a A into A bar, A into A. There are the two expressions comes from that a single variable. A into A bar, A into A. It is there. In the basic label, if for in case A is a 1, A is a 1, A bar is a 0. A bar is 0 comes it here. 1 is comes here. 1 is comes here. Yes, this is the expression for we have to do by the Congo K-map. Min terms, it is a 0 is a first expression we can in this block it we m0, it is a m1 can be write it like that. This is the K-map of that one. For example, a Boolean expression can f of a equals to a bar, it is there. F of a equals to a bar. F of a equals to a bar, they have given that one. Min terms is a, it represents the, what is that one? F equals to, it is the 0 and the 1 we have, 1 will come that one. Min term is a bar means 1. Right. We have done that one. They have given like that. Right. A bar is a 1. A bar is a 1. We have to write it A into A bar. A equals to 0. Yes, the final answer will be the f of a equals to a bar. A bar in many terms they can just use the, in a SOP and the POS. If you have seen the videos, you can get to know that one. A bar equals to 1 will come for the min terms, or a SOP will come for that one. The output is f of a equals to a bar. F of a equals to what it comes. Yes, f of a equals to what it comes. Let us see that one. A. Yes. A into A bar A. A bar is in this that one. Answer is a. 1 is comes here and 0 is comes here. The output of f of a equals to a. It is a single variable. It is the single variable K map is we are drawing like that one. In one variable of the K map, we have to write it. Yes, one more option. F of a bar plus a. F of a bar plus a can be write it. A bar a. 1, 1. Will come that one. F of a equals to a bar plus a equals to 1. This is a, we can use for that one. This is a group we have done that one. This is the use of the K-map. We have done a group. We have done a group. It is called it as a K-map. Yes, they have done it as a It is a group. In one variable K-map, one square represents the minterms. For example, 1 and 2 are the two adjacent square represents the functions which is always true. That is f of a equals to 1. Yes, next. Can we use the two variables? If can we use the two variables, how can you use use that one? A and the B are the two variables comes. A and the B, two variables. In the previous session, A is a one, only one variable we have done that one. A and B are the two variables K map. Two variables, that is A and B are the two variables K map. Let us see that one. Yes, how to do that one? Let us see that one. Can we use the truth table for that one? Can we use for that one? We are using that one. How can we use the truth K map for that one? One variable, two boxes. Two variable, four boxes. That's why they have seen that one 2 raised to n they have given. N is a variable, 2 raised to 1 is a 1, 2. 2 raised to 1 is a 2 and 2 raised to 2 is a 4. 4 box. Right? The same way we have used the 2 box for that one. Yes, this is the 4 box will come. How to write that one? Let us see that. A bar, A, B bar, B. In this box, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B. Yes, this is in this M0, M1. How can we come that one? Let us see that one. This is the M0, M1, M2 and the M3. Yes, in the mini terms what we have seen that one, let us take that one. In the mini terms what it comes like that, it is the mini terms 0 0 0 equals to what it comes like that, 0 0 it is a x bar, x bar is a 0. Yes, let us see that one. In this mini terms they have told that no. Let us see that one. This is the variable of the 0 0. It is a bar they have represents for that one. Yes, A bar A, B bar B. Yes, A bar B bar, A bar B, A, B bar, A B. A bar B bar means what? 0 0. Let us write it. 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. It is comes like that in this variable. And 1 1 comes like that one. The sum of the product, how will come that one? The sum of the product, for example, I am going to give the truth table. Truth table I am going to give that. AB 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Yes. A bar B bar, A bar B, A B bar, A B. output I am going to give 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Write the K map here. Write the K map here. Min terms comes here. Yes, this is the output they have given. Then draw the K map for this output. Draw the K map for this output. Let us see that one. This is the K map. Yes, A bar, A, B bar, B. What they have given that one? A bar, B bar is a 0. A bar, B bar is a 0. 0. A bar, B is a 0. A bar, B is a 0. And A, B bar is a 1. 1 I am going to write it here. And AB is a 1. I am going to write the 1 here. This one and this one is a group. I am going to do the group of these two. Yes, group of these two. I am going to write that one. F of A equals to answer of this one is a AB bar plus AB is answer. This is the M0, M1, M2 and M3. F of A equals to what it comes? M2 plus M3. This is the way to draw the K-map of the two variables. Two variables means A and B are the two variables. They will give the input for that one. We have to write the min terms. Then we have to see the output. Then output, how it comes that one, we can draw the K-map for the output. K-map for the output. These are the output they have given. A, B bar, A into B bar. A into B bar is A into B bar. A into B. A bar, B bar. A bar, B. This is a way to draw the K-map. Right? Let us see that one. One more example they have given here. Simplify the following Boolean function using the K-map. They have given that one. Input they have given. Input they have given. How to do that one? Let us see that one. They have given the output. Yes, what they have given that one? First, to draw the K-map for this circuit. A bar, A, B bar, B. What is that? X bar Y plus XY bar plus XY. Yes, here they have X bar Y, XY bar plus XY. X bar Y, I am going to, instead of A and B, I want to take the X and Y. X bar Y, X, Y bar, Y. X bar Y, where is that one? This one. X, Y bar, this one. X, Y is this one. This is the pair. This is the one group. 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 Yes, this one is a one group and this one is a one group. Yes, correct. I am going to write that one. This is the subgroup 1, can we call it? Row is a first one, column is a second one. Subgroup 2. Yes, subgroup 1 and the subgroup 2. What is the definition of the subcube? What is the call it as a pair? A subcube of two adjacent ones on a K-map. There is a ones may be horizontally or vertically aligned. Horizontally and the vertically aligned, for that one we have seen that one. I have drawn like that. 0 1 1 1 x bar y, y bar y. This is a map. This is the map. What is that one? Sum of that one? X bar y plus x y bar plus x y. X bar y plus y bar x y bar is a 1. 1 will not come, that one. I'm going to take the common for that one. Common, I'm going to take that one. X bar y, x y bar. Y is a common. X plus x bar is a 1. Y is common. X plus x bar, x plus x y bar. This is the 1. X plus x bar is a 1. Y plus x y bar. Y plus x y bar can be written as a x plus y. X plus y is the answer for this equations. X plus y is the expression for this equations. We have to minimize the equations like that. We have to minimize the equations by the simplification method. Yes. Next is a three variables. Three variable K-map. Three variable K-map shows that the three variables. What are the variables? Can we take it? A, B, C. A, B, C can we take it as a three variables. Right? A, B, C are the three variables are there. One variable is A, B and the C. How can we take the truth table? 8 numbers will come for that one. Can we see the truth table of that one? Like the octal numbers truth table, you have done it before that one, right? Can we see that one? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. These are the 8 numbers are there. M0, M1, M2, M3, M7 is the last numbers. Correct? This is the way to draw the truth table of the three variables. Yes. How to see that one K-map? Let us see that one. Yes. A bar and A, can we write it here? Here, how much box will come? 2 raised to 3 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes. Yes, 8 boxes will come. I am going to write B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar, B C. This is the cross multiplication. A bar B bar C, A bar B bar C bar. Next is A bar B bar C. Next is A bar B C bar. Last one is A bar B C. Yes, here A B bar C bar, A B bar C, A B C bar, A B C. This is the way to write the truth table of the three variables. This is the way to draw that one truth table of the three variables. I am going to give that one in the designations. Yes, M0, M1, M2 comes here, M3 comes here. Yes, next M4, M5, M6 comes here, M7 comes here. This is the way to give the designations of the truth table for the K map. Yes, this is the way to give the designations. Yes, they have given that values, we have to fill that one. Yes, this is the value. F of A B C equals to A bar B C plus A B C bar and A B C. Let us draw the K map for this one is A bar B, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar, B C. First, A bar B C, this one, 1, A B C bar, A B C bar, A B C bar, this one is a C bar, this is the one, A B C 1. There the two groups comes here like that. What are the things will come? This is the things will comes that one. Which one is a common here? Let us take that one. A bar BC plus ABC. BC is a common. A plus A bar is a 1. Yes. A, B, C bar. Yes. A, B, C bar. Let us take that one. A, B, C it comes. This is the M0, M1, M2, M3. M2 plus M4, M5, M6 and M7. It is the sum of this one is a M2, M6, M7. One number is a, we have to give the just f of ABC equals to number. M2 value is 3, M6 value is 7, and M7 values, sorry, M6 and M7. Right. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7. These are the numbers for that one. Can we use for the designations in the numbers? Can we write it? The binary numbers of that, decimal numbers of these numbers is M367. 367. Can we take it? Yes. Can we take it like that? Representation of the functions. This is the K map. It is the two variables we have to do that one. A bar B C. Can we write it like that? Let us simplify. How to simplify this one? Let us see that one. Yes, you can write it. This is also BC comes here. M2 is comes like that one. For example, B bar C bar, B bar C, B C bar, B C, A bar A. Can we write it? M0, M1, M2, M3 continuation. If you interchange that one, you have to change that one. K-map is write it like that. Like both are one. M1, M6 and M7 is a number. Is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are the same answers. This is the way of the K-map. We have to write it like that. Pair 1 and the pair 2 can be write it. A bar BC is M2, M3. ABC bar is M6. ABC is M7 can be write it. Whichever they use that one, you have to mention that one, which is the M0 and which is the M1. Previous what I have explained, that is also correct. Yes, there are the two pairs of the, in a one book they have given like that, one more book they have given like that one. Whichever you have to refer the books, if you have write it properly, right, you have to mention in that diagrams very carefully. Hence in this year you have to write the multiple choice questions. You have to concentrate more on the multiple choice questions, right? There are two pairs of the subcubes. The first pair in the M3 and the M7 are the second pair. Second pair is the M6 and the M7. This is the reduced expression. Pair 1 is a BC. Pair 1 is a BC. BC is a common. ABC, for example, first pair is first pair is first pair is A BC plus A BC bar. Correct. AB is a common. I am going to take that one. C plus C bar is a 1. AB is the answer of the pair 1. Pair 1 answer is a AB. I am going to write it like that. Pair 1's data it is pair 1 it is data is AB. AB. Let us take the pair 2. What is that one? A bar BC plus A bar BC plus ABC. Which is the common? BC is the common. A plus A bar is a 1. Pair 2 is a, which one is a common? BC. In the pair 1 and the pair 2 is a BC and the AB is a common. Let us write that one. F of ABC equals to AB plus BC. AB plus BC is the answer for these questions. Next, one more example. Let us take that one. They have given the numbers here. Yes, let us one more example. They will take that one here. Can we see that? Yes. Let us take that one more example for that. In your exams, they will give like that. In your exams, what they will give that one? They will give the Karnaugh map. You have to answer the what is the answer will come. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರದಾಗಿ ಪೇರ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅವನ್ನ ನೀವು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಈ ಸತಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕರ್ನವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಹಳೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸತಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನವ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ಟದ್ದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸನ್ನು 5 ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೇ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? The first one is a bar b bar c plus abc a bar bc a b bar c plus abc. One by one you have to simplify this one. ABC. How can we do that one? One more pair is ABC ABC bar. AB is a common, C bar is this is AB will comes. Plus AB is the answer correct. But you have to simplify these equations. Yes. Can we see that one? BC is a common. A plus A bar, AB bar. This equation and this equation can be written. BC is a common. Plus BC. BC can be A bar plus 1 is a 1. Yes. This one will get cancelled. BC will come. A bar B bar C plus BC plus AB is a answer. Plus AB is a answer for that one. This is the equation simplified answer. They will ask for your examinations. They will ask for your examinations, multiple choice questions. Let us see that one. BC plus C is the answer. Yes, what they have got to know that one? A bar B bar C BC plus AB. We got to know that one. Yes. See how it comes. AB is this is from the pair 2. This will not simplify. BCC is a common. Take that one. A bar B bar plus B can be take it is a 1. Can be. This is the answer is C plus AB. This is the way to solve the equations. This is the way to solve the equations. Right? Let us see that one. This is the equations. How to pair that one? 1 and the 1. Yes. Pair 1, pair 2. Let us simplify. Pair 1. A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C. C plus bar. A bar B bar is a first expression. Pair 1. Pair 1. Pair 2. Let us take. Pair 2 is A bar B bar C plus A bar BC. A bar B bar C is A bar C is a common. B plus B bar. That is AC. The answer is AC plus A bar, B bar for this K map. For this K map, we can write it like that. Yes, this is a way to simplify the equations. This is the in the four variables. This is for your examination. It is there. Four variables. 2 raised to n is n equals to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. Let us see the four variable K map. Let us draw that one. Yes, it is a four variable. This is for your examinations. Let us see that one, how to draw the K map. How many boxes are there? 16. Yes. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B. This is the one line. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Bar, I am going to write it once again. C, D, C, D, C bar, D bar, C bar, C, D, C, D bar. Yes, let us draw that one. Yes, this is the way to draw that one. CD. Yes, let us draw that one. This is the way to draw the K map. Yes, this is the way to write the uh, uh, K map. Yes, let us write that one. A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. A bar, B bar, C bar, D. A bar, B bar, C D. A bar, B bar, C D bar. Yes, A bar, B, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Yes, A bar, B, C bar, D. A bar, B, C, D. A bar, B, C, D bar. A, B, C bar, D bar. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C, D. Yes, A, B, C, D bar. Next is the A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar, C bar, D. A, B bar, C, D. A, B bar, C, D bar. This is the way we have written. In the designation can be write it M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14, M15. This is the way to give the designation of the numbers. Yes, Let us see the examples of that one they have given like that. Yes, this is the way to A bar CD. What I have drawn it like that one. We have to write like that. Yes, this is the M1, M2 values. I am going to give that one. M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Yes, and one more thing. What I have done wrong in that one. What I have done in wrong that one. Third is a M8 is comes here. I made a mistakes. I made a mistakes. It's a mistake from that one. M6 after M8 will come here. M8 will come here. M8 will M9, M10, M11, M12, M13, M14, M15 comes here. This is the way to write that one. What I have made a mistakes here. Yes, what I have made a mistakes. M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9, M10, M11, M12 is comes here, 13, 14, 15. Yes, this is the way to write the, here also I made a mistake. M10, M11, M12, M13, M14, M14, M15. This is the right way. Interchange for that one. This one. Here the in this way. Only one mistakes what I am AB I am going to write it here. It is a continuous, but the K map is a right way. It is this one. Yes, they have given that one. Simplify the following functions using the K map. Yes, what they have given. Draw the block. What they have given? A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. This is the one. And A bar, B, C bar, D. This one. And next, A bar, B, C, D. A bar, B, C, D. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Yes, this is the way of that one. This is the way we have done that one. Yes, now let us group into the four groups. It is a quad. Can we call it as a quad? Yes, this is the one pair and this one is a one. Yes, can we write it? Simplify these equations by this one. Can we simplify these equations? Which one is that one? A bar B C D plus AB C bar D AB C D BCD BCD is common. Yes, I'm going to remove this one. BCD plus AB C bar D is a remaining. Yes, AB A bar CD it is sorry C bar D is AB C bar D plus BCD it comes like that one. Yes. Next what we have to take the common. A bar BCD A, B, C bar, D. Which one is a common? Can we take it? B, C, D is a common. Yes, A bar plus 1 is a 1. B, C, D comes like that. B, C, D comes like that. B, C, D comes like that. Can we use that one? B, C, D is remaining. B, C, D plus A, B, C bar, D is there. A, B, C bar, D is there. Which one is common? P, D is a common. C plus A, C bar. C plus AB bar. It is a 1. It is a BD plus BD plus A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Can we write it like that? We can use it in the by the K map. Otherwise, can we write it like that also? Here also we have to simplify this one. We have to simplify this one. If you know the Boolean expression, how to simplify, if you know that one, you can do it very fast. Yes, this is the way to solve the K maps. Right, in the 4 variables. In the 4 variables. This is the, we have studied about the sum of the product you have studied. Sum of the product you have studied. Boolean function using the K-map, simplify that one. If they ask for the POS, POS, 1, 1, 1, 1, if you comes like that, where you have solves expressions like that, in the code of that one, in the using the solve the complementing result, how can we use that one? SOP. Simplify the following. SOP is also write that one. It is the same way to write the expressions like the SOP. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರ ನೀವು 0 ಗ್ರೂಪನ್ನು ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ SOP expressions. Yes, let us see. In the next class I am going to explain about the using the SOP. Yes, this is a very lengthy class for that one. That's why I am going to take the next class. So please watch our videos regularly, then only they can understand the classes. Okay, thank you. Please watch our videos regularly. In tomorrow's session I am going to explain about the SOP as well as a full adder and the half adders, 2 variables and 4 variables. In the tomorrow's session I am going to explain. Please watch our videos regularly.